everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Flan de Galleta María. Flan is such a good dessert. They make so many flavors out of it, but I'm going to show you guys today how to make the flavor of Galletas María. It's so good, so if you've never tried it, let me show you how. I set my pan to low-medium heat, and I'm going to start melting 1 cup of sugar. Now we add 1 tablespoon of water. We stir until the sugar is completely caramelized. It should take about 10 minutes. As you can see, the sugar is starting to crystallize. The sugar has completely melted and we're going to transfer it into the pan. Now we grab the pan and we slowly move the sugar around. Be careful because the pan can get very hot. Now we're going to prepare the flan mixture. I'm going to be using 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and half a package of Galletas María. Now we blend. We add the mixture to the pan. We cover it up with foil, and I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna be doing a water bath, so we're gonna fill up our cooking tray halfway. Now we're gonna bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's been 1 hour and 20 minutes and our flan is ready. I like to stick a knife around the edges, all the way around, just to make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan. And now it's ready to flip. I cannot wait to try it, but I'm gonna let it cool down for 30 minutes before putting it in the fridge. And I'm gonna leave it in there for 2 hours, or you can leave it overnight if you like. Okay, our flan has been in the fridge for 2 hours. This part is optional, but I like to add some Galletas María on top. Now I'm gonna cut myself a piece. Okay, look at how perfect it looks. It looks delicious. I cannot wait to try it. I'm gonna crumble some cookie on top. Okay guys, moment of truth. A probar. Cheers. Está súper rico. And you can taste the Galletas María flavor in it. It's so good. Súper delicioso.